Hey boys and girls and people and anyone who's watching me right now. Thank you for coming. कौन कहता है कि एमबीबीएस स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ना पड़ता है? सही कहता है जो कहता है. Because in MBBS if you're not studying well, it becomes quite difficult for you to survive in here. So welcome to chapter 1 of surviving first year MBBS. After completing almost a month in college and after attending so many boring lectures and after uploading 2 videos about my first experiences, I thought that it's high time that I should do what MBBS students are known for, that is studying. I should document that as well. This video is going to be a little study oriented and I'm going to start documenting it from tomorrow morning because नया दिन नई शुरुआत. Oh yeah, and also because maybe कल हमारा dissection हो hopefully. हाँ, हमने अब तक dissection नहीं किया है. I know it's quite heartbreaking but so I hope कल का दिन अच्छा हो. And let's see, I'm gonna record everything, whatever happens tomorrow. तो यूट्यूब पे आएगी. तुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इस बात से? हाय कशिश. Hey people, guess what? After completing 1 month in college almost and after attending so many boring lectures, like so many boring lectures, I finally got to do dissection today. I'm so happy. Like it was so satisfying. I know I know we are talking about a dead body. It's a cadaver, but honestly, it was a little mortifying initially. थोड़ी सी अजीब स्मेल थी फॉर्मलिन की एंड थोड़ा सा डर का माहौल था इनिशियली but I did it. Like yeah, I hold the scalpel. It was nice. आज सच्ची एक MBBS स्टूडेंट जैसा फील हुआ मुझे. I've read the scapula wala part thoda sa. I mean, I have completed the most of it, but basically na anatomy is not about कि एक बार पढ़े and सब याद हो गया. So it has to be repeated again and again and revised.
There it was, my friends. It was MD Medicine, GMC Nagpur. My dream branch in my dream college in my dream city in the first round of counseling.
So I started recording today's day with keeping very minimal things in my mind, like studying. But it eventually became a quite memorable day for me because of the dissection experience. So yeah, it was a nice day. It was actually nice and a very productive day for me because पिछले कुछ दिनों से मैं ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ पा रही थी, तो it was really needed for me to sit and study for like long time. So yeah, I did it. मैंने anatomy पढ़ी, at least उसमें scapula and clavicle वाला region, and biochem में भी एक chapter मैंने पढ़ा, and in the physiology too I did complete today's topic as well as a little bit more. So yeah, and MBBS का syllabus बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, like it's huge, it's very vast. So that is why I thought of starting this series, that is surviving first year MBBS. So in this series, in the upcoming videos as well, you'll get to see me studying most of the time. So yeah, it was quite needed for me at least. If you're still watching me, thank you so much. I am grateful. Thank you. And I hope इस series से आपको थोड़ा benefit होगा, you know, थोड़ा maybe a little dose of motivation. Although मैं motivational बातें नहीं करती हूँ, I know, but yeah, मैं पढ़ रही हूँ तो आप भी पढ़ो ना. आप भी अपना काम complete करो, और whatever work you're supposed to do, just do it. So thank you people for meeting me today, and now I'll meet you in my next video, that is on the next Sunday. तब तक के लिए bye, and do something productive in life and be happy and be healthy. Bye. अभी it's almost 11:15. I should better sleep now. कल भी मेरी classes हैं. Yeah. Bye.